Are you looking for the best cordless soldering irons in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless soldering irons that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Tulux 40420L Cordless Soldering Iron. Making it in the top 4 on our list is the Tulux 40420L Cordless Soldering Iron. The cordless soldering iron contains features like: firstly, it heats up fast. It heats 565 degrees centigrade in less than 10 seconds. Secondly, it has safety features. It comes with a protective cap and a cooling design, protecting one from heat burns. Thirdly, it has LED lights. The light is useful when soldering in dark or dim places. At number 4, Weller BL60MP Cordless Soldering Iron. On number 5 of our list, we have the Weller BL60MP. The cordless soldering iron is among the best out there. Why? Here is why. It has a high soldering temperature. It can reach up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 40 seconds. Secondly, it can solder for up to 45 minutes without charging. Thirdly, it is cheap. Lastly, it is comfortable to use. It has round rubber insulation that makes it comfortable when using it. At number 3, M12 Soldering Iron, Bare Tool. On number 8 of our list, we have the M12 Soldering Iron, Bare Tool. It is another cordless soldering iron from the M12 brand, only better. The cordless soldering iron has the following features. Firstly, it has 3 pivoted heads. What does that mean? It has unmatched access. Secondly, it has a heat indicator. The heat indicator tells the user when it is safe to use the cordless solder and when it is safe to store the cordless solder. Thirdly, the cordless solder iron heats very fast. It has the same runtime as its previous version. It reaches 100 degrees in less than 20 seconds. Lastly, it has a fee tool tip change. Thus, it is easy to change from a chisel to a pointed tip. At number 2, M12 RedLink Soldering Iron Kit with LED Light. This cordless soldering iron is known for reaching high temperatures quickly. It can reach temperatures over 100 degrees centigrade in less than 20 seconds. On top of that, it has an intelligent heat indicator. The solder uses RedLink technology to indicate the heat measurements of the solder. Its batteries can last up to 40 minutes without recharging. Lastly, it comes with safety components like electrical safety products and disaster preparedness. At number 1, Weller Cordless Butane Soldering Iron Kit. The Weller brand is the leading manufacturer of quality soldering tools in the world. Likewise, the Weller PSI-100K is one of the top 5 cordless soldering iron. Why? It is because of its features, that are: it has a 6-piece kit. The 6-piece kit contains all the subparts of the cordless soldering iron. Each subpart has a specific placeholder on the soldering kit designed to keep it. Besides, the soldering kit is hard and sturdy, hence hard to break. Secondly, it has a high temperature range. Its temperature can shoot up to 580 degrees. Thirdly, it has a high wattage. The cordless soldering iron can supply wattage of up to 125 watts. Fourthly, it can operate for up to 2 hours without refilling butane.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.